Hello everyone, today I will show you how to find old chat history in Character AI. First, open Character AI using your browser or the mobile app. Make sure you are logged into the correct account where your chats were saved. After you open Character AI, go to the main screen where all characters are shown. From the list, select the character you want to see the chat history of. Tap or click on the character to open the chat screen. Once the chat opens, look for the character's profile. When you tap on it, the character profile page will open. Inside the profile menu, look carefully through the available options. You will see an option called History. This option may be listed along with other settings or details about the character. Tap on the History option. When you do this, Character AI will open a list of all previous chats you had with that character. These chats are usually ordered from newest to oldest. Scroll through the list to find the conversation you want. If you do not see the history option, make sure you are viewing the character profile and not your own account profile. Updates to the app may slightly change the layout, but the history feature is still available in the character profile menu. Thanks for watching.